Guys, he brought it up, and it looks very good. The tokenomics are great. Volume looks good. Um, this could be your next. Who knows? If you come over here to the tokenomics on this thing, they look fabulous. You got 94% in circulation, maximum supply of 1 billion. All right, and what this thing does, let's see, it's up 19x from 2 months ago from the bottom. All right, you can see it's on tons of exchanges, tons of them out there. All right, what about Myro? Oh, excuse me, Myro the dog, named after Solana, a founder Raj Gokhal's dog Myro. So looks like a meme coin. Yeah, it's been doing great. So anytime you see, a maximum supply, this low, 1 billion tokens, you got $38 million market cap. All right, so yeah, this could be a 100x or 200. Who knows? It's at 4 cents right now. 38 million. Times three, you're at 100 million. 30x would be at 1 billion. In a bull run, this thing could hit 3, 4, 5 billion dollars. Hard to say, that's the thing about. Look at this over here, Myro, $10 billion market cap. This bull is possible. This will explode this bull run. Yeah, and that's one thing I learned with the last bull run. The newer tokens seem to be the ones that did the best. I mean, the old ones did. Like I got Cardano for 4 cents. I got Polygon for 2 cents. I got Scala Games at a ridiculous price, 250,000 for 37 bucks. I got in some really good tokens, and they did extremely well. But the new ones that were coming into their first bull run, they seem to do very, very well. So thank you, Detroit Custom Paints. I think this is a big winner here. We'll take a look at the chart in a second, but we ended up having some liquidations today. $684 million. All right, open interest was up to 41 billion yesterday. It's at 36 now. Look at the volume. 224 billion, up 52%. So I take it, probably a lot of people buying the dip. It's what I was always told. When it makes you sick to buy, that's the best time to buy. And when you don't want to sell, that's probably the best time to get rid of it. So, and it's true if you really think about it. The times that you hate buying, when the market sucks and it's red. That's when you really want to be stacking in stuff. If you come up here and take a look at this, these are the ones that I cover that are the biggest losers for the day. Wi-Fi, Pyth, but you look tomorrow, and these will probably be the biggest gainers tomorrow. Buy red, buy red, sell green. That's something you probably want to live by, really, especially when it comes to crypto. All right, let's take a look at this chart. Okay, you can see here, pretty decent. If you're following a trend line on this thing, kind of hard to put it on there, but something like that, I guess, somewhere around there. I'd like to have it on that wick. Maybe back in here, probably something like that there. It had a nice trajectory here from the bottom. This thing launched, what was it, this December 19th. Okay, it was the first day this chart came on here, and from the bottom, look at this, 17x, 17 and a half. So for every 1,000 you put in it, if you got in it at the beginning, you got 17,500 now. So love seeing gains like that, and then they just keep going. All right, let's look at the RSIs here. 4 hour just starting up, reset. Okay, the 8 hour. The 8 hour looks like it's trying to flip back up. It has flipped bearish here, but it looks like it is trying to flip back up. On the bottom, the regular RSI is still pointing up. The 12 hour looks like it's also trying to turn back up. 90 and a 94, and on the bottom down here, the regular RSI, you can see it's still pushing up. All right, so looking like this thing still wants to push up. It doesn't have a daily yet. Okay, you can see here it has a high up here. We're going to mark this off right about there. Okay, that's our high, but right up there. And if you come in here, all right, so I would be watching, you know, you got very good support, obviously, right through here. This was a high right there. I like putting my supports on the daily, actually. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Maybe just a hair lower. Right about there. Your daily supports are your stronger areas. Your daily, your weekly, and your monthlies, them are your strongest support areas. You know, so that's probably where you want to put, you know, a lot of your support areas. This candle closed right here, so I'd probably put it there for that one. But them should be very good support areas here at 0.0365. You know, any rally higher, you're going to have to break that 0.0428. And you got good support down here at 0.0316. Okay, and let's see here if we can see any waves. Yeah, see this chart when you go in on the hourly, see how choppy it is. I don't, these ones can be a little difficult. Maybe I'm going to have to look for a different one to use here. But right now, Myro is looking good, guys. Go check it out, and thank Detroit Custom Paints. He's the one that brought it up. You know, could be your next winner here. I got a lot of faith in this. And blockchain bets, that's another one. I've been stacking the heck out of that. That's another one I got big hopes for. 1 billion total coins. So we'll see what happens. But this looks good, guys. I'm going to keep covering it. Have a great day, everybody.